Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you HP printer MV6032 printer box content. This is a family printer, all-in-one family printer, which means it's not suitable for business usage actually, because it has no fax capability, but it has print, scan, and copy. It's okay for the family usage. Now I'm gonna show you box content. Let's open it here. And it's okay here. There are brochures here. Here are brochures. Yeah. This is the installation guide. Yeah. So reference and support, and some brochures for instantly. Yeah, some flyers, and so yeah, here. Oh. So the cartridge. Yeah, this is black cartridge and color cartridge. Yeah, so it's a power cable. So power cable for EU and UK. There is no USB cable. So yeah. Okay, and just put it down. Oh. This is scanner parts, and I'm gonna remove fixing tapes. That's there is the scanner part. So you need to remove fixing tapes for before the usage. Yeah. Here the paper roll tray. Paper lot tray. So, yeah. Here's the back side. USB and for power button. There is no LCD actually, but here's a touchable buttons here. Yeah, all content out of the box. HP MB 6032. It's model number 6032. Thank you for watching.